Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a prep for framing day. So today's gonna be pretty exciting for me. What we are gonna do is I'm gonna take a chalk line and I'm gonna start laying out where all the base plates are gonna go, floor plates are gonna go for all the walls. So I'm gonna start marking out where all the walls are gonna land on the layout. If I get that all done this evening before I get too tired and wanna quit, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna mark on those kind of stud layouts or those floor plate layouts, where I'm gonna put studs. So we are gonna jump right into it. Today's gonna be a prepping for framing episode, so stay tuned and I'll show you what we got going on. Well, okay, I got the floor plates laid out where all the walls are gonna go. So I got all the walls laid out where I want them. You probably saw halfway through that time lapse that I swapped from trying to use a chalk line to using duct tape. The duct tape is just a lot easier to put down by myself. And I also need it to last for a few weeks until I can come back out here and actually start framing. So I actually go home tomorrow, so I'm not going to be able to start framing on this trip out. So I want these layout lines to make it for the next few weeks, so when I come back they're already laid out and I can just go straight to nailing up walls. So let's walk through and take a look at it. Okay, well, as you can see, it is certainly nighttime. I wanted to show you the walls as you walk in from the front door. So as you walk in the front door, first thing you do is you walk into the living room, and big open concept, open space room from all the living room all the way back to the kitchen. So I went ahead and put some extra little black duct tape on the ground, not real precise, but pretty close to where the kitchen countertops and cabinets and the island are going to be. So This is, you walk in, plan is to have a big U-shaped kitchen. Not all of this will be countertops. Right now the plan is on this side, this is where the fridge is gonna go. And then on this side, we'll have some cabinets that go floor to ceiling as kind of like a pantry. And then somewhere starting back here, you'll have a big U-shaped countertop. And inside the U-shaped countertop, you got a 3x6 kitchen island. And this is where the kitchen island will sit, right here in the center of the room. Sink will be right here, centered up between these two windows. Now I'm gonna have to build a box coming out of the wall to hide. A box will come out here to come up, and it'll hide this main column. So when you look at it, and whatever box I build to hide this column, I'll mirror over on this other side of the sink. So when you walk up, you'll see the two windows on either side of the kitchen, and then you'll have these two kind of little half walls and probably some shelves or a pan rack or something like that hung in between those two little 8-inch walls above the sink, and the windows obviously on either side of the sink. And then you'll have cabinets above the countertops on that side and on that side. So we'll go back to the front, kind of give you an idea of the size of the room. I guess walking back towards the front door, you can see how the door and the window will line up on the room. You'll have a wall right there next to that window, and then you'll have the window and the door. The door will have the two side lights for now. Side lights for now. Eventually we'll have a big cutout with a window in the middle of the door. So you'll have two kind of big windows allowing light into the living room. You'll walk into the living room. You'll be able to see all the way back into the kitchen. Now we'll have those main kind of structural beams that drop out of the ceiling. So you'll have these exposed beams. They're really going to be 2x12, but I'm going to cover them in some fascia or something, a facade, to make them look pretty. So you have these big structural beams that drop down out of the ceiling, and you'll have 5 of them or 4 of them, I can't remember, I have to go look at my drawings, that go down the length of the room. The last one will actually center up directly over the center of the island. So you'll have your last big structural beam centered up over the island, and we're thinking about doing like tin ceiling or some sort of ceiling accent in the kitchen on either side of that beam. I haven't put any door openings. This is just the wall positions yet. We haven't figured out exactly where we want to put the door to the shop. We can put it right here by the front door, move it forward a little bit and put it right here. So when you get out of the driver's side of a car that pulls into this garage door, the door's right here. You can put it up here in front of the kitchen. We can put it right here in the middle of the room. We haven't decided exactly where we want that to be. But this you can see, this is the dividing line between the house and the shop. Okay, so anyways, this way, you'll come in, you'll have this wall will essentially be one continuous big wall all through here. It'll only have one opening. It won't have a doorway. It'll have a arched opening right here. So you'll walk in through the opening, and you'll be in a little short hallway. You'll have 3 options. You can turn left, and you can go into the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. I haven't put a wall in for a closet because we're debating not putting the closet in right off the get-go. I don't think you're technically allowed to call it a bedroom unless it has a closet, but we're thinking about not putting a closet in it, so it's a little bit bigger, so we can fit a guest bed and a desk to make it kind of my wife's office and a guest bedroom. So you would then leave, walk back into the hallway. On your left, you'll have an option to go into the hallway bathroom, guest bathroom, whatever you want to call it. This is a basic bathroom. It's just going to have a 5-foot tub, a toilet, and a 36-inch vanity. So it's essentially the most basic bathroom you can get. A 5-foot by 9-foot bathroom, about the smallest bathroom you can get away with making. You would then leave the bathroom. I'm sitting here turning the camera too fast. Bet you I'm giving you all motion sickness again. Try and be smoother. Come back into the hallway, and then there'll be a doorway here to get into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom has the 2 windows on this wall. Plan is to put the headboard facing this wall. So you'll walk in, and there'll be kind of a bed here. You'll walk around the bed, get to the other side to go into the bathroom. On this side, there'll be a double door here, that'll open up into my closet. So this will be his closet right here. Pretty decent sized closet. And the big purpose of this closet that we did is we extended this hallway and added this closet to put a little bit of separation between the master bedroom and the guest bathroom, just for privacy for the guests when they're using the restroom. You come over here, and then on this side of the master bedroom, there'll be another big double door that'll open up, kind of center of the room, and you'll walk in, and it'll be kind of a mirror image. On this side, you'll have one vanity, and then on the other side, you'll have the other vanity. So you have 2 vanities that are back to back to each other, so that she has her vanity and I have my vanity. You keep walking through here on this vanity, which is the west wall. So on the west vanity, up against it will be the 4x6 walk-in shower. So this will be the walk-in shower here. It's a very good-sized shower, which I'm a huge fan of. So 4-foot by 6-foot shower here. And then on the other side of the east vanity is the water closet. So there'll be a door here. You'll walk in, and there'll be a toilet here. Now this is really big for a water closet. That it comes out probably further than it needs to, and did that just for symmetry to line up with the 4-foot by 6-foot shower. So we wanted a 4-foot by 6-foot shower, which ended up extending this some. We may actually kind of bring this back a little bit and make a small linen closet right here. So we're still talking about doing that. We don't have a linen closet right now, so we're talking about either putting some built-in shelves or a linen closet right here. And then walking through the bathroom, out the other side of the bathroom, there'll be a door here, and this whole area will be the wife's closet. So she has the big walk-in closet back here. We'll do big, L wraparound hanging in shelves and stuff for her closet. Out of her closet, there'll be a door back here in this corner, and this will be the utility room. So washing machine will go here, dryer will go here. We'll exhaust out this wall. That's essentially the layout of the house. It's a fairly simple, straightforward layout. Tried to make it as easy to frame for myself as possible. The only other part that we'll have to frame is over here. I'll frame in some walls to have a little utility closet eating up this corner of the shop. And this utility closet will hold the pressure tank, the water softener, and the hot water heater. So there it is, guys. Real excited about starting to see it come to life. You know, this is a big step for me because you do a lot of drawing on paper and visualizing to yourself, and you say, man, I hope this is going to be big enough, or I hope this is going to work out good. And now you put it here actually to scale on the floor, and you can really see that man, this living room kitchen is just gigantic. It's going to have a ton of open space. It's going to be really nice. There's going to be no problem putting a couch, television somewhere over here, dining table somewhere in the middle, obviously the kitchen over here. It's going to be great. Big kitchen. The wife, that was part of the compromise, is we get to live in a hangar home for me so I can have a attached shop, and for her, she gets to have whatever she wants in the kitchen. So we're giving her a big, spacious kitchen for her to do all of her cooking in. I forgot to film a little outro clip to finish this video up, so I just wanted to put this picture of a floor plan up, the floor plan that I originally designed, so that y'all kind of see what we had to work off as a reference. So this is the floor plan that I just translated to the slab in full scale. A couple of the walls had to move an inch or two one way or the other to line up with where the plumbing drains and water supply came up from the slab, but this is essentially what the floor plan is that we are going with. So if you're looking for a 30 by 50 floor plan or something to start with, this is ours, and feel free to use this. But we're really excited about how it turned out. So the next time I come out will be time to start framing. So we'll actually see the walls starting to go up on my next video or the next couple videos. So stay tuned and look forward to that. And I appreciate you watching.